in the jungle where the tall trees sway, lived Ellie the elephant who loved to play. She wiggled her trunk and she stomped her feet and dreamed of finding the world's biggest treat. One sunny morning she heard a shout, "There's a peanut parade, come check it out." Ellie got excited and started to run, but she tripped on a vine. What fun! What? Oh, Ellie the elephant, big and gray, swinging her trunk in a silly way. Toot toot, splash splash, what a sight to see! The funniest elephant in the jungle tree. Ellie marched proudly down the trail, wearing a hat made from a giant snail shell. She juggled 3 coconuts high in the air. One landed softly in a monkey's hair. The monkeys giggled, the parrot squawked, and a waddling turtle nearly moonwalked. Ellie laughed so hard she began to sneeze. Look, blew bananas right out of the trees. Oh, Ellie the elephant, big and gray, swinging her trunk in a silly way. Toot toot, splash splash, what a sight to see! The funniest elephant in the jungle tree. At the peanut parade stood a mountain so tall, the biggest pile of peanuts ever seen at all. Ellie grinned wide and took a deep breath. "I'll carry them home," she proudly said. She scooped with her trunk, 1, 2, 3, but the peanuts rolled off like a runaway sea. They bounced and tumbled down the hill, past a sleeping lion and a porcupine still. Oh